as K-maps. So we have done 2 variable K-maps and 3 variable K-maps and 4 variable K-maps in the previous class, in the electronics engineering course. So I think I'll start with 4 variable, then move to 5 variable, and till what variable we can go. So in Carnot maps, what do you have is, let's have a 4 variable K-map. 4 variable K-map. We'll have a function sigma m, in which we have to minimize this function. Let's have a function fine. So the largest number is 14, and we can just represent this number 14 by 4 bits. So that means you need a 4 variable K-map to get a minimized Boolean expression. And we want to implement it using a NAND gate. So if it is sigma m, it is a min term, and these are all the min terms, and you can represent your function in sum of product form. Sum of product form. So what you do is you make a 4 variable K-map. There are 4 variables, that means there are going to be 16 combinations. Let 2 variables be on this side and 2 variables be on this side. How do you label them? Using gray codes. Whenever you move from one square to another, there is 1 bit change. So we need a cyclic code, a code which is a unit distance code, and that code is a gray code. Okay. Then similarly on this side, write a gray code. Since there are 2 variables, you need a 2-bit gray code. This is not going to be 10, this is going to be 1. So if you move from this to this 1 bit, this to this 1 bit, this to this 1 bit, and back to this, it is 1 bit. So these are all gray codes which are written on vertical axis and the horizontal axis. Now how do you represent 2? 2 is in forward 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. If A is MSB, B is LSB, then 0, 0, 1, 0. 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then 6, these are all min terms. 6 is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. 7, 0, 1, 1, 1. Then 8, 1, 0, 0, 0, 8. 9, 10. 10 is 1, 0, 1, 0 is 10. 11, 1, 0, 1, 1 is 11. Then 13. 13 will be 1, 1, 0, 1. So 1, 1, 0, 1 is 13. And 14 is 1, 1, 1, 0 is 14. So these are all the min terms which are being placed in the K-map, 4 variable K-map. So how do you find this? Can you make is there any isolated ones? Are there any isolated ones here? Any isolated ones which cannot be clubbed with any other min term? So can you club this with any other min term? There is nothing this way. There is nothing this way. Because if you move from this square to this square, there is 2 bits change. So you cannot club this. So this is one isolated one. Isolated one. So how do you write this one? As A, B, C bar, D. So if you look A, B, C bar, D. Then comes others. How do you do that? If you look at this, this can be clubbed into 4 ones together. It's a quad. 4 ones together. So what it will give? If you move from this to this 1 bit change, this to this 1 bit change, this to this 1 bit change. So that means all the variables A and B are changing. So we are left with only 2 variables, C, D, bar. Then what more can be done? I will take another color. You can club these 4 also. AB, from this to this there is one bit change. From this to this, there is one bit change. So you can club them and reduce them. So what is it? 0, 0. And when you come downstairs, it is 0, 1. That means A is fixed, B is changing. So whatever is fixed, keep it as it is. And whatever is changing, eliminate it. Then you go from this to this side, it is 1, 1, 1, 0. That means C is fixed, D is changing. So eliminate D. So when you have a quad in a 4 variable, you will have only 2 variables in the term, in the product term. Similarly, what min terms are left? This one is left. So you can have one as like this. This is again a quad. Because if you come from this to this, there is one bit change. ठीक है? और यहाँ से यहाँ तो आपको दिख ही रहा है one bit change. तो इसके लिए क्या होगा? Again it is a quad, that means 2 variables will be eliminated out of 4. So if you come from this to this, A changes, B is fixed. What is the value of B? It is 0. So that means it is going to be B bar. And when you move from this block to this block, C is fixed, D is changing, and the value of C is 1. So it is C. अब कौन सी मिन टर्म रह गई है? एक इकलौती ये. अब इसको कैसे क्लब कर सकते हो? या तो इसके साथ कर सकते हो. So you can club this min term with this one. That means it becomes a pair, 2 ones together. कैसे हो सकता है? This is 1, 0. When you make a pair, that means there will be 3 variables in the product form and 1 variable will be eliminated. So what is that? A, B bar, and when you move from this square to this square, C is changing, D is fixed, the value of D is 0, so it will be D bar. So this is the reduced expression for your above Boolean function. So that means it is A, B, C bar, D, then A, B bar, D bar, then C, D bar, plus B bar C, and then last term is A bar. So this is sum of product form, sum of product term, SOP. So whenever your function is represented in sum of min terms, this is called sum of min terms, then you can easily represent it sum of product form. And if you want to represent this function in product of some form, if you want to represent it in product of some form, then what you can do is simple. Make another K-map. This is SOP minimal. If you want your expression in POS, what is the expression in POS minimal? F. So mark the max terms. These are the max terms. These are the max terms. Now start making. Is there any isolated max term? Is there any pair of max terms which can be clubbed together? Or is there any quad which can be made? So simple. Let's take different colors to mark. Let's have a quad here. Very well visible. How will you mark it? So here which term is fixed? A. The value of A is 0. So take it as A when it comes to max terms. Plus B is changing, leave it. C is fixed, it is 0, so A plus C. This is one of the product of some terms, A plus C. Then what more can be done? Can you club this with somebody, some max term? Yes. Let it be this with this. So what this max term will be? If you go from this to this, b is fixed. Since the value of b is 0, it will be b. What is next? This one, c bar d. C is 0, keep it as c. D is 1, keep it as 1. Because max terms are inverse of min terms. अगर min term 1 है तो max term 0 है. So you have to write it like this. Then next, और कौन सी term रहेगी? ये वाली. This one. इसको किसी से क्लब कर सकते हो? ये किसी से क्लब नहीं होगी. ना ऊपर को, but clubbing is only horizontal or vertical. Diagonal कुछ club नहीं होता है. You cannot club anything diagonally. What you can do is either club it vertically or club it horizontally. So this cannot be clubbed, so it will become as it is. It is A. Since it is 1, so it will be A bar. B, it is 1, it is B bar. Then you have C, C bar. This is another term. So the terms will be this one, product of sum. So this is a sum term and we are taking the product of sum. Fine. And still something is left. I think I am going to take another color for just showing it to you. Let it be red only. This can be clubbed with this. So this is another term, max term, which will be important. It is making a pair. So what is that term? A is changing, B is fixed. B is 1, so it is B bar. And C and D, they are 0, 0, C plus D. So the next term, max term in this minimized expression is B bar plus C plus D. So this is the minimized expression in SOP form and POS form. When you want to do it in SOP, take the min terms, make pairs, quads, make something like octets, whatever possible, and then minimize it, write it in product of sum form. This is sum of min terms, that is sum of product terms. This is product of sum terms. Writing the minimized expression in product of, these are all sum terms and we are taking the product of those. So this is the expression. Now, we can implement the same in, you can say, you can minimize the expression, you can implement using NAND gates, NOR gates, or anything. There is no hurry. So I think I'll tell you one expression how to implement it in a NAND, using NAND gates only or using NOR gates only. So if it is a SOP notation, if it is a SOP form, it is very easy to represent in NAND. But if it is a POS form, then you represent this in the NOR. It is very easy. So if you want to know this, I can draw it also. Let's take a minimize some other expression which takes lesser amount of, you can say, time and minimize expression. Let me have one expression for 5 variables. Let's now go to 5 variables. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गया 4 वेरिएबल. अब अगला क्या है? 5 वेरिएबल. 5 वेरिएबल. तो जब भी एक्सप्रेशन SOP नोटेशन में हो, write your expression and draw it in NAND implementation. If your expression is in PUS form, minimize, then draw its circuit in NOR implementation. NAND और NOR आपका क्या है? NAND and NOR, they are universal gates. जैसे we say universal means you can use it instead of a AND gate, OR gate, NAND gate, NOR gate. Any gate can be implemented using a NAND gate or a NOR gate. So if you remember, I don't know whether you people remember or not, but any gate, I can draw it if I get some time, and I'll show it to you. How do you do this? Let's have a 5 variable function. When we want to minimize it, it's sum of min terms. Fine. अभी 5 वेरिएबल कैसा हुआ? ठीक है. What is the largest number? 31. How will you represent 31? Using 5 bits. ठीक है. So all the 5 bits will be 1 1 1 1 1. So it will give you 31. So that means you need a 5 variable key. The largest number which is present in the function, this digit, it will find out whether which variable k map has to be. अब इसको बनाना कैसे? तो एक तरीका तो ये है कि टेक 2 4 वेरिएबल के मैप्स. तो ये आपका A है which is 0. A is most significant bit. और बाकी जो उससे B C D. और दूसरा के जो है वो A इक्वल टू 1 के लिए है. जब आपका A 1 हो जाएगा. Here A is equal to 1. अब क्या है? How will you divide? If A is 0, that means you are representing it 0 to 15. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. देख लीजिए. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1. और जब आगे जाएगा 5th बिट, दैट मींस 5th बिट का जो MSB 1 यहाँ पे होता है. पहले 0 था तो यानी कि 0 से 15 आ जाएगा. जब MSB 1 हो जाएगा यानी कि 16 से 31 जो है नंबर उनको रिप्रेजेंट करेगा. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. तो आप 31 0 से 31 इसमें मिन टर्म्स प्लॉट कर सकते हैं. अब मिन टर्म्स कौन सी है? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 30, 40, 50. ये मिन टर्म्स है. पर देखने में दिक्कत आती है. लेट मी यूज अनदर पेन. Then 22, 24, 25, 28, 29, 30. ये सारे मिन टर्म्स हैं. I think now all are visible. अब इनको मिनिमाइज करना है. क्या करूं? कोई जरूरी तो नहीं. पेयरिंग कैसे हो सकती है? पेयरिंग कैसे भी हो सकती है. तो इस इसकी पेयरिंग क्या होगी, आप इसको इसके ऊपर रख दो या इसके ऊपर रख दो, तो आपका 4 वेरिएबल के मैम एक के ऊपर एक पड़ा है, 2 4 वेरिएबल्स आर, सो व्हेन यू मूव फ्रॉम लोअर टू अबव और अबव टू लोअर फ्रॉम द सेम पोजीशन, देन देयर इज 1 बिट चेंज. अगर मैं इसको इसके ऊपर रख दूं तो ये जो बिट्स ये जो है दे विल ओवरलैप, सो इट विल बी 2 बिट्स आर डाउन 2 बिट्स आर अबव, सो दे कैन मेक अ क्वाड. आपका हमेशा जो भी पेयरिंग होगी वो भी दो वंस पेयर हुए तो पेयरिंग हो गई. द ग्रुप ऑफ 2 वंस आर पेयर टुगेदर तो क्वाड बन गया, ग्रुप ऑफ 4 वंस आर पेयर टुगेदर तो ऑक्टेट बन गया. तो ऐसे ही पेयरिंग होती है. ठीक है, अभी ये 1 भी है, ये विजिबल नहीं मुझे दिखानी. इफ यू पुट इट दिस अबव दिस देन देयर विल बी पेयर्स. तो अब क्या कर सकते हैं, let's start. This is one pair. Can you club this with this? No. ये अपने में एक क्वाड बनेगा. Each minterm has to be covered at least once. This rule has to be taken. What is this quad? Here A is 1A. This is B, so B is fixed. C changes. When you move from this to this, 0 0 0, D is fixed and the value of D is, so what we get is A B D bar. दूसरा क्या होता है, if you place this over this, so there will be a quad. That means you place this over this, so this lines will match over this and there will be a quad from this to this. That means these two are making a quad. ठीक है, आप इसको उठा के इसके ऊपर रख दीजिए, so ये जो 2 1 होंगे इसके ऊपर आ जाएंगे. When those 2 1s come over there, this place, then it is going to make a quad. और कुछ नहीं मुझे दिख रहा. This is 1 quad. तो अब क्या बनेगा? Let's find out the expression. When you place it over this, A changes. ठीक है, तो A तो आएगा, A नहीं आएगा. और क्या आ रहा है, B और C, ये दोनों सेम है, तो B C. And when you move from this to this, D is fixed, E is changing, so D is 1, so B C. So this is another minterm, B C and then what else? और क्या बनता है? मिनटर्म्स अभी भी पड़ी है जो कवर नहीं होंगे. ठीक है, एक ये बन गई है, ये और ये आपस में ओवरलैप नहीं होती क्योंकि ये 4 ऊपर के उसमें है, ये 4 नीचे के हैं. तो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज गोइंग टू बी, यहाँ पे A क्या है? 0, सो A bar. If you go from this block to this block, B is fixed, it is 0, B bar. C is changing, D is fixed, it is 0, D bar. तो क्या बना? A bar, B bar. अब एक टर्म ये आ गई है. अभी भी कुछ पढ़ा है, दिख रहा है, यहाँ कुछ पढ़ा है और उसको हम कर सकते हैं. हाँ, क्या पढ़ा है? ये. So what you can do is you can make a pair of this and a pair of this, and you can place this over this. These two will be covered. मैंने कहा था minterm should be covered at least 1. It can be reused. So if you place this over this, so there will be a quad 1 1 and इसके ऊपर 1 1. तो क्या बना? So we'll have a expression है A0 A1 के बीच में there is a change, so A तो गया. ठीक है, यहाँ DE fixed है, so D is 1, E is 0. And if you go from this block to this block, B is changing, C is fixed, and C is 1, so it is C. तो अब क्या हो गया? कितनी सब कवर हो गए मिनटर्म? नहीं, कोई मिनटर्म ऐसी जो खाली पड़ी हो, पड़ी हुई है. Now, what is that minterm like? ये वाला. हम ये मिनटर्म इसके साथ क्लब हो सकती है ना, ऊपर भी क्लब हो सकती है, इधर भी हो सकती है, ऊपर भी हो सकती है, पहला रूल। दूसरी बात पर ये क्वाड बनाती है, ये दो ले लो, टेक दीज टू, टेक दीज टू, when they'll come one over the other they'll make a quad. So this is one quad. This is one quad. So what we'll get from this quad? एक तो ये A0 से A1 में जा रहा है तो A निकल गया, A is out of this. Second is B and C are fixed. B is 1, C is 1. And third is when you move from this square to this square, D is changing, E is fixed. E is 1. So it is B, C, E. So for this function, F, the minimized expression is F B C E plus A B D bar plus B C D plus C D E bar. और क्या रह गया? इसमें सारे क्वाड बने देखेंगे तो there are all quads, no min term is left out. A bar, B bar. So this is a minimized SOP. Similarly, you can have a minimized POS expression for this. अब मैंने कहा कि जब भी वो SOP notation होता है, this is SOP, sum of product. You can very easily write the expression and draw it in NAND form. हम इसको क्या करेंगे? CDDR, इसके लिए जगह बनाते हैं, CDE bar. CDE बनाते हैं फिगर क्या बनेगी? अगर अब नाउ हमने कुछ बनाया, नाउ वी विल सी दैट देयर इज वन रिडंडेंट टर्म व्हिच इज दैट वी नेवर रिक्वायर्ड दिस वन. ये जो वंस है ये कवर हो गए हम. This one has already been covered in these. Fine. So there is no need to cover it again in this. I don't need this. मैंने एक ये फालतू कर लिया. I said cover it once, and if there is a need to minimize some other min term, you can use them. तो ये जो वंस थे ये यहाँ कवर हो गया, ये यहाँ कवर हो गया, और ये कहाँ वन कवर हो गया, ये वन भी यहाँ कवर हो गया, और ये वन. तो हमने एक जो टर्म थी फालतू लिख दी थी, which was this term. एक्चुअल जो मिनिमाइज एक्सप्रेशन है वो आपका ये है, क्योंकि हमने रेपिटेशन नहीं करनी. आपको जो मिन टर्म है एक बार कवर करनी है, उसके साथ कोई ऑलरेडी यूज मिन टर्म कवर हो जाए कोई बात नहीं, पर स्टिल यू हैव टू यूज इट वंस. अब इसका बनाना है एक्सप्रेशन. So this expression, this is the expression, and I think we have, was a redundant term which was not to be used. So these are the 4 terms, product terms which will make a circuit. तो अब कैसे बनेगा? B, C, E. Let all the variables are present in their individual form and their complemented form. A, B, D bar, A bar, B bar, D bar, और C, D, E bar. बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स बन जाएगा, मैंने ये बना दिया. उसको हमने और किया, ये बन गया फंक्शन प्रोडक्ट फॉलोड बाय और. अब इसको NAND बनाना है, सिंपल है. Whenever it is SOP notation, it is very easy to implement using SOP, using NAND. Put a bubble here to complement this effect. Put a bubble here. दो नॉट गेट का मतलब क्या हुआ? अगर दो नॉट गेट एक के बाद एक लगे हो तो क्या A बार बार, तो इसका मतलब this is equal to A. तो दो नॉट गेट मतलब function will not be tempered. Put a bubble here. Put a bubble here. Put a bubble here. Put a bubble here. तो ये तो बन गया आपका नॉट NAND गेट. और what is this equivalent to? Change और by and. कितनी इनपुट है? 4. Complemented inputs by normal inputs and you can say normal output by a complemented output. So this is equivalent. So you can very well replace this NOR gate with a NAND. तो आपका ये NAND सर्किट बन गया. अब आप कहोगे कि मैम ये कैसे हो गया, कैसे करें? तो आपका सिंपल बताती हूँ कैसे हो गया. If you have a two input gate A, B और इसकी आउटपुट है. So what is this? A bar plus B bar, दोनों और हो गए. What is this equal to? A and B का bar. And what is this equivalent to? A, B bar, not gate. That means this is equivalent to this. These two symbols, they are equivalent to each other. So whenever you have this symbol, you can draw an equivalent for this symbol. You will get a NAND gate. Similarly, you can have a POS notation. If you want a POS implementation and or you want to implement it using a NOR gate, implement your function in POS form, put all the max terms, get the expression and implement that expression in NOR. कोई भी ले लो, XYZ operation, कोई भी operation आपके लिए है, so you can do that. So this is how you make a 5 variable K map. Make 2 K maps, one for MSB 0, another for MSB 1. Now you can take one K map, place it over the other. So these row will match. ये 0 0 0 0 से मैच करेगी, 0 1 0 1 से मैच करेगी, 1 1 1 1 से मैच करेगी, 1 0 1 से मैच करेगी. This is how you do it. This is a 5 variable K map. Similarly, you can have a 6 variable. Let me do some example for 6 variable also. मैं सिर्फ ये बताती हूँ कि कैसे बनाना है 6 वेरिएबल के मैप. We can have problems with 5 variables. We can have problems with don't care conditions also. We can have don't care conditions which have to be taken in the K map. Let's make one with the don't care and implement that real expression in the universal logic. Let me do it for you. Some expression using some time to rub the blackboard. Any small expression which can be implemented using universal logic. Let me do it for a small one. With don't cares in both POS and SOP notation and in universal logic both. Let's have some function. This is a 4 variable function with a don't care. I want to implement this function. Its maximum is 14, so it will be a 4 variable function. It has don't cares. I'll have a SOP notation. I'll have a POS notation. I'll implement SOP in NAT. I'll implement POS in NOR. Very easy. No problem. You can very well see 156. Let's have a key map. A, B, C, D are the variables. A is MSB, D is LSB. Let me plot the so 2 and 4 they are don't cares. 2 is 0, 0, 1, 0 and 4 is 1, 0, 0, 0. No, sorry. 4 will be 0, 1, 0, 0. So 0, 1, 0, 0 is 4. ये तो हो गया don't care. Sorry. Don't care. अब क्या है 1, 5, 4, 5, 1 is a midterm. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. ये आपकी plotting है. अब don't care का मतलब है you can use it to minimize your function and if there is no need, don't use it. Don't care का मतलब don't care whether they are present. आपको min terms cover करनी है, don't cares cover नहीं करनी है. तो अब क्या करेंगे? फंक्शन लिखेंगे. कैसे लिखेंगे? You have to make the क्या बनता है? Let's see क्या बनता है. We can have this as one of the quad. तो अब ये quad बना तो क्या बना फंक्शन? So this is A is changing, B is not changing. B is 1, so B. When you move from this to this, C is fixed, D is changing. C is 0, so it is C bar. This is 1. So we have made use of don't care. Another is you can club this with this. ये दो लेते हैं तो पेयर बनता, पर हम ऑलरेडी यूज के साथ क्लब कर सकते हैं. हमें कोई देयर इज नो हार्म इन इट. You can club them. What do you get when you have these two? Another term. Again, A is changing, B. And when you move from this to this, D is fixed. It is 0, it is D. ये expression. और क्या हो सकता है? अब ये 1 बचा. कौन सा min term बचा? Don't care नहीं cover करना. हमें डोंट केयर नहीं कवर करना, हमें 1 कवर करना है. अब क्या व्हाट कैन वी डू 1 के लिए? अब इसकी 1 की क्लबिंग कैसे हो सकती है? इसके साथ हो नहीं सकती, इसके साथ हो सकती है. सो यू कैन क्लब दिस वन विद दिस वन. देयर इज नो नीड टू. व्हाट यू गेट? अ पेयर. यू गेट अ पेयर. सो 0, 0 A bar, B changing, C bar. So this is the third product term in this function. अब क्या करना है? अब इसका सर्किट बनाना है. सर्किट बनाए. चलो सर्किट बनाते हैं. BC बार since it is SOP, very easy to implement using NAND. You implement using NAND. So BC bar, then BD bar, and there is no harm, there is no you can say कि आपने दो इनपुट NAND ही यूज करना है. You can use any input NAND. And then OR them. दो बार लगाओ, NAND बनाना है. Put a bar, bar. ये NAND बन गया. इसका इक्विवेलेंट क्या होगा? और by AND, normal output by complemented output, complemented inputs by normal inputs. तो आपका ये बनना NAND implementation. ये भी नहीं करना आता तो और क्या कर सकते हैं? Put a double bar on this expression. दो बार लगाया, एक्सप्रेशन चेंज नहीं होगा. ओपन द इनर बार, VC बार बार, ठीक है, डिमॉर्गन्स थ्योरम. प्लस इज चेंज बाय दिस, BD बार बार, प्लस इज चेंज बाय डॉट, AC बार D का बार, ठीक है. और बाहर का बार जो है वो एज इट इज रहा. जो आउटर बार है इट रिमेन्स एज इट इज. तो दिस इज वन NAND गेट, another NAND gate, another NAND gate, and final NAND gate. This is what expression this circuit is showing. अब रह गया how to make it using a universal logic. तो अगर आपने NOR बनाना है, so put the min terms, max terms. This is max term, ये min term हो गई, ये max term हो गई, ये डोंट केयर होगी. डोंट केयर दोनों में आएंगे. तो ये है मैक्स टर्म्स विद डोंट केयर्स. अब क्या एक्सप्रेशन होगा? POS नोटेशन में लग बनेगा ये POS, मिनिमाइज POS. अब इसमें क्या बनेगी? एक तो बन गई ये, तो ये क्या बन गया? CD तो सारे चेंज हो रहे हैं, दो ही रहेगी. A is 1 so A बार, B is 0 so B. ये होगी पहली टर्म. दूसरी टर्म क्या होगी? ये बना लो, ये भी एक टर्म होगी. तो क्या बनी? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सम टर्म्स. ये क्या बना? C प्लस D. C is 1 so C बार, D is 1 so D बार. ये अलग एक और टर्म बन गई. ठीक है. अब कोई मिड टर्म मैक्स टर्म रहेगी जो कवर ना हुई हो, हाँ वो 0 ऊपर पड़ा है, उसका क्या कर सकते हैं? ये 0 इधर तो कहीं क्लब होता नहीं, या तो इस 0 को इससे क्लब कर लो या इस 0 को यहाँ क्लब कर लो, कुछ भी कर सकते हो, क्योंकि हमें एक इकलौती मैक्स टर्म कवर करनी है. ठीक. सो दिस 0 इज कवर्ड विद दिस. ये दोनों भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी कर सकते हैं, कोई मनाही नहीं है. सो यू विल हैव एन ऑल्टरनेटिव. सो व्हाट डू यू गेट? 0 0 से 1 0 में आए. ठीक है. सो व्हाट यू गेट? A is changing, B is fixed. B is 0, so B. You'll get a term B. And what is C and D? C is 0, so C, D 0 D. So B plus C plus D. This term will come from this. So this is expected. A bar, B. So, or them, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 A bar B, C bar D bar, OR them, C bar D bar, B plus C plus D, OR them, B, C and D. तीन बन गए, उनके बीच में क्या है? एंड. So this is OR followed by AND is POS, AND followed by OR is SOP. Put a bubble, मैंने पहले बताया था, दो बबल लगा दो, एक बबल, दो बबल लगाने से एक्सप्रेशन ट्विस्ट नहीं होती. यू कैन चेंज द एक्सप्रेशन एज इट इज. ये बन गया नॉर. अब इसका क्या इक्वलेंट है? एंड इज इक्वलेंट टू और. कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड आउटपुट नहीं है, नॉर्मल आउटपुट है, उसको कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड आउटपुट कर दो. कॉम्प्लीमेंटेड इनपुट से उनको नॉर्मल इनपुट से चेंज है. सो दिस इज द इक्वलेंट फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वन. अब कैसे बनता है? अगेन व्हाट इज दिस? सपोज दिस इज ए एंड बी, तो क्या बना? ए बार, ये एंड है, बी बार. ए बार बी बार का how can you write this? A bar B bar, A plus B, De Morgan's. And what is this? This is actually that means these two symbols, they are equivalent with any number of inputs. जितनी input इसकी होगी उतनी input इसकी होगी, जितनी output इसकी होगी उतनी output. So all these gates, they have a signal output. This is how you can implement your function with don't cares or without don't cares in SOP notation using universal logic, and POS notation using universal logic. So this is what is all for today's lecture.